A large-scale installation artwork made with waste wood is showing off its majesty in the center of square in South Korea's central city of Cheongju. This 16-meter-tall, 18-meter-wide art piece is titled Jikji Forest. The sculpture is known to represent and symbolize the 2018 Jikji Korea International Festival, which followed the first of its kind staged in 2016. The festival is designed to shed light on the spirit and the diverse value of Korea's Jikji, a collection of Buddhist treatises and teaching and the world oldest extant book printed with movable metal type.
직지에도 좀 많은 다른 이야기들이 있거든요. 그런 다른 이야기들을 곳곳에 전시에 저희가 만들어 놨습니다.
Exhibition featuring the past and the present of Jikji, which was published in 1377, as well as those listed on the UNESCO's Memory of the World Register, help visitors to easily understand the old textbook. The festival also offered a wide range of events for global players in the printing industry, including the official launching of the International Association of Printing Museums. Meanwhile, this year's edition of the festival has opened its door much wider to general visitors. The Jikji Korea Festival, which kicked off on October 1st, is set to run through October 21st.